In this video, we'll find the angle on the first revolution between 0 and 2 pi that is coterminal to 10 pi over 3. So the first thing we want to convert that 10 pi over 3 to degrees by multiplying by 180 over pi. Notice your pi's cancel, and I'm left with 1800 over 3. So I know that this angle represents 600 degrees. Let's draw it. We'll start with our initial side on the positive x-axis. To go one complete rotation is 360. That simply means we need an additional 240. 90, 180, 240 lands us in the third quadrant. That also means that the angle that would get me in the same location, that is the angle if I start on the positive x-axis and I just rotate here and I stop, that would be my coterminal angle. And that coterminal angle would be 240 degrees.